Here you go. Today is Saturday. May what? Friday, May 14. And Toto brought us some delicious 17. Brought us a delicious. Oh wow! Look at this mango. Beautiful. It's so fresh. So we're gonna eat the mango, and they prepared food for us with the vegetable, rice, paksiw, galunggong, and Ate Rose is enjoying the food. Ate Rose, paksiw, and Ate Minda, and Toto is so generous to cut us a mango with this one.
Banana.
Oh boy, and banana. Wow. Banana na.
Ang galing naman ninyo, galunggong.
Ganyan mo. And where's Kuya Boy? Kuya Boy. Okay, and we are going to the house of Gina's brother. This is the home sweet home by himself, not married. We have to find him a girlfriend, right? And this is the stairs to go upstairs in the second floor. This is the second floor, and this is where do you sleep? Ano pangalan mo ulit?
Amboy.
Amboy. This is Amboy's house. I love your nipa hat. It's nice. And this is where you sleep or here? Saan ka natutulog?
Dito po, sa ibabaw.
Dito? Hindi ka nahuhulog?
Hindi po.
Oh my God. And they have puon. And yeah, to bless him all the time. To get away the bad spirit and all the girls. Right? To stay away from the girls.
Kaya pala si Jopay.
Nasa Amerika na. Bumalik na.
Balik pa.
Yeah.
Naalala ko nung araw na isusot yung
Alin?
yung pandamalit na parang rainbow.
Oo nga no?
Naalala ko yung dalawa kayo.
Oo. So that's his beautiful house. Beautiful house. Ano pangalan mo ulit?
Amboy.
Amboy. It's a beautiful house.
Yung rainbow na ano yung dalawa
Oo nga Amboy. And then Toto.
Kasi ang pagkakalam namin,
yung cellphone pala niya sa anak niya Tinatawagan ko.
Oy, bahay.
Nasa along po. Ang ginagawa sa along ko po.
pamedical. Para sa trabaho. May tubig na sila.
Mm.